Good evening, everyone, and welcome. Do you own a neck brace? If not, you might want to consider getting one or visiting a chiropractor. Market watchers haven't seen ups and downs like today's in a couple of years. It was wild. Stocks were up early, then down hard on Ukraine worries, then bungeed up into the close on lighter than normal volume because of Passover. The Dow Industrials did finish 89 points higher, but that's not the half of the story. That was its second straight up day. NASDAQ up 11 points, but had closed in on correction territory earlier in the day, only to bounce back, closing higher now 4 of the past 6 trading days. The S&P 500, it was up 12. So what accounted for today's wild ride? Bob Bazzani explains from the New York Stock Exchange.
Stocks rallied at the open, but quickly sold off in a pattern that is by now very familiar. Sell off internet and biotech stocks, and then the rest of the market follows along. Then, late in the day, the market reversed, a sign that traders are unsure where to price stocks. Now look at the IBB. This is the ETF that represents biotech stocks. After rallying at the open, it dropped 6% today in a few hours, then rallied all the way back. That's a little strange. And this whippiness is extending into the broader market. The Dow, for example, today went from flat to up 100, then dropped 200, then rallied 200 points, all in a few hours. That's very strange. What's the problem? There's more going on than just overvaluation issues with internet and biotech stocks. There's a lot of other issues that are weighing on the markets. For example, tension in Ukraine was likely a factor in the midday sell-off, but there are also China growth concerns. There's choppy U.S. economic data, and there's tax selling last week. It's hard to quantify, but high-bracket taxpayers have clearly had sticker shock this month. Finally, there's the effects of the Fed winding down its stimulus program. Is economic strength enough to offset the negative liquidity effect of the Fed's taper? There's one more issue. It's a big vacation week. We've got Passover, Easter, and spring break. It all adds up to less participants in the market. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Bazzani at the New York Stock Exchange.